Hello children, in the last session we have started Galileo's lesson and the introduction also we got, and we introduced invention and discoveries through the telescope or looking tube, and next he is going to start what the first telescope was introduced by Galileo, made the magnified object 3 times their size. Again he got improvement in his discovery of telescope. Again how many times bigger, and it was looking like 3 times bigger in their size. Later he made one that magnified them 8 times. Before it was 3 times bigger it was looking. Next again he changed his telescope instruments and all. Again he introduced a new instrument of telescope. Again it was looking 8 times bigger in size. But he went on working on the larger and larger ones until he made a telescope which was brought objects 30 times nearer. What happened? Before it was looking 3 times nearer, next 8 times nearer, and now what is the final telescope he introduced? That is a 30 times nearer. It was looking very big object. With the aid of this telescope, he made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. He found that the planet Jupiter had a little moons that revolve around it, and he found that the sun had spots on it, and that had the spots slowly moved across its space. And he found from this that the sun, like the earth, spins around itself. In today, Jupiter has nearly 60 moons. Already we know that. How many moons the moons of the Jupiter planet? That also he studied. He found that with the help of his invented telescope or looking tube. And some 50 years earlier, before the 50 years, what is going to happen? A Polish astronomer called Copernicus, before the Galileo Galilei, he had declared already the Earth was a planet like the other planets. What happened? Before Galileo Galilei, Copernicus, what happened? 50 years before only he said that is the Earth, whatever we live on this planet, this is one of the planet like other planets, and that like them it will revolve around the sun. This is how other planets are revolving around the sun. This Earth also one of the planet, it is also revolving around the sun. And Copernicus could not however prove this the man of his day, and the few people paid any great attention to his idea. But what happened when he was introducing this theory, Copernicus theory, some of the men who have interested, only little amount of person had given little attention to his theory and all of the men they were not showing interest towards his theory. What he said, planet Earth is one of the planet, it is revolving around the sun like other planet. This is the theory of Copernicus. 9th paragraph. Galileo was the first great student of astronomy to realize that the ideas of Copernicus were true. What happened? In Padua University, he became a professor to give a knowledge according to the astronomy and all. That too, he started astronomy to realize that ideas of the Copernicus were true. He was proving that Copernicus, whatever he said in his theory, that is true. Who said this? This is said by Galileo Galilei. And the first scholar to begin to teach them at the university. Galileo Galilei is the first scholar. Scholar means what? Philosopher. He was giving a knowledge at first in that university as a scholar to begin to teach at the university. That is a Copernicus, whatever theory he said, that is true. What is that Copernicus theory that he said? So Earth is one of the planet of others, and it is revolving around the sun. And his new teaching caused a great excitement among the learned man. What happened? New ideas and new teaching he was going to give in his philosophy and all. They were having a great excitement to listen that. And because it means that all of their teaching was completely wrong, and they began to oppose him, and many of them became his enemies. Some of the learned men have giving interest toward his theory and all and his teaching, and some of people are opposing, and they became enemies for Galileo Galilei. And then he got into trouble with the church, and his ideas about the sun and the earth were different from what the Bible seemed to say. So the followers of the church began to look upon him as a wicked and a dangerous man. You already know that any religion will be there. We are Hindus are giving believable in the what happened Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata and the Christian people, religious people are giving believeness and all they kept on the Bible. Here also what happened in Italy and Venice and all, they kept on the all their beliefs on the Bible. Whatever Copernicus said, that is true. Who is going to prove that? Galileo Galilei. But he had got many enemies to introduce the trueness of the Copernicus. The earth is around the sun. Then what happened? The church is giving him as a punishment. They opposed his theory. He totally that Galileo Galilei is introducing a wrong message toward the astronomy and all. You should not listen. The church is going to declare that. In our Bible, we are not getting that there is no relation between the earth and the earth is not a planet. They are going to learn. Already they have learned from their Bible. So the church began to look upon him as a wicked means what? Wicked means what? That is a bad person. He was giving a wrong direction in study life and all. That is why he considered as a dangerous person in front of the church and pope. And the church had those days of a court called the Inquisition. What happened? Investigation they are going to give as a they are going to declare whatever mistake happened by any person. That is called what? Inquisition. And which try to punish those that they consider unbelievers. Unbelievers, whatever believable educated persons are giving support to the Galileo Galilei. That is true. But unbelievable persons are become a turn to enemies for the Galileo Galilei. And Galileo was asked to appear before this court. What happened? Galileo got the order. He should come and attend the court. And he was questioned about his beliefs and was asked to kneel and declare that he no longer believed that the earth moved around the sun. He knew that he refused to make this declaration. What happened? Whatever he declared already, whatever Copernicus theory was, that is only declared by or proved by Galileo Galilei. That is, earth is one of the planet and it is rotating around the sun. Whatever you made that is wrong, you should say to the church that is sorry for that, and you should sit on your bend and sit on your knee. This is a declaration or punishment given by the church. And he might be put in prison and perhaps tortured. So, but if you are not agreeing means maybe in future he will get it imprisoned. Also he will get the torture by the church. And there is a story that he rose from his knees after his public declaration. He whispered to himself, but still it does move. The court ordered Galileo not to reach his wicked ideas anymore. But what soon he learned? If you are not saying, if you are not sitting like this by bending and sitting on the knee, if I not sit, you will get it imprisoned or by the torture from the church. He know that suddenly he sat on his knees and he is thinking on himself. What is that? Again I have to study and prove it is correct. But Galileo did not obey the church orders for a long. Church ordered what? Again you should not what happened? Teach wicked ideas anymore. Wicked means what? It is a bad idea. Your idea, whatever you are going to prove, that is not a good, that is a bad, it is wrong only. You should not teach anymore. Already that is declared by church. But Galileo Galilei did not obey the church orders for a long. He continued his studies. And after time, what happened? Starting teaching his ideas again. Again he started teaching his ideas to prove that. And he wrote a book in his criticized to old beliefs. Old whatever it is happened already, that is criticized. And when the book came out of the Inquisition once again, ordered him to appear before he tried to sue a non-believer. After a long trial, he was sent to prison. The church ordered whatever he said, already church declared that he not obey. Again he continued to prove that. That is why he was sent to prison. But as he was now an old man, he was allowed to go home 22 days later. What happened when he returned that book? and it was in front of the Inquisition in the church itself. That time he became a old person. He was aged. That is the reason to send him home again after 22 days. This is about the Galileo Galilei. Understand, children?